Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working in the living room. I am eager to get my gallery wall done a little differently. It is very pretty, but it's lacking symmetry, and I think that is what bugs me about it. So I will be adding a piece of molding. You can see right there because I had to refilm this intro, so it is completely finished as of right now, but I'm adding a piece of molding. We're going to touch up some of the nail holes from the previous setup and then do some repainting on those, and then we will just lay out a new gallery and see how it turns out. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So my plan is to make this an all art gallery. My collection is growing very quickly, and I purchased the molding for this wall without measuring, so it is like an inch too short. But y'all, we're gonna go with it. We will see how it turns out. Spoiler alert, you can't even tell. Okay, so to do the chair rail, I'm going to probably leave that inch difference down on this end because I have the olive tree that I think is going to cover it, and this is not a permanent installation of this anyway. It is temporary. I'll be taking it down whenever we leave because we are renters. So I have two pieces, so I'm going to start on this end. And then I'm going to make sure it's level, and then we'll add the second piece. To do this, I'm using a brad nailer. I'm only going to use just a couple, again, because it's not a permanent installation. I want to be able to easily pry it off whenever we leave, and then fill in whatever holes it makes and paint them the same color.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do, okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun.
Okay guys, so now we have that put up. I'm going to go ahead and paint. So the color I have is Flora. I'm pretty sure it's a Valspar color, but I did get it in the sample and it's a satin finish. That is what I already have on the wall. So let's get that done. And then we will also paint all of the little spots, and I may paint over this. We will see.
Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do, okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun.
So the paint has mostly dried, and now I'm wanting to figure out how I'm going to lay out my new gallery. I do want to do it a little bit different. I'm thinking of doing larger pictures on the sides, medium size in the mid or next to the sides, and then smaller pictures in the middle towards where this is. So I'm just gonna play around with it. I'm probably gonna change it a million times, so just bear with me. But I love the way the chair rail turned out. It is so pretty. It is crazy to me how little details like that can add so much character to a space. And I got these pieces from our Peddler's Mall in Lexington, and I think I only paid $4 for the both of them, so $2 a piece. And like I said, I was only short 1 inch, but you really can't tell it. Now, if I were going to install these permanently, I would take some wood filler and fill in over where the brad nails go in, and then I would also caulk the edges where the trim meets the wall. That way you don't have that little tiny gap behind it. It just looks clean and even. And then I would just wait for all that to dry and paint over it. But because we are renters and I'm removing this, I didn't do any of that, but it still looks so good. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna mess with these pictures. Let's see what we figure out.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Okay guys, this is where I'm gonna stop at for today. I need to process this part. I don't really have any other artwork to go there, so I'm gonna have to look through everything, and then we will pick this up either tonight or on another day, but so far so good.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. You in my arms.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little gallery refresh. If you did, please let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. Also, let me know what you'd like to see in the future. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. And by the way, in the next video, if I'm sitting like this, wearing this same thing, you didn't see that. So, bye guys.